Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I think you are very happy. I know what is the reason for that. What is the reason? This is the last topic, right? After this you will be having only revision classes. Today is the last topic in your textbook. Huh? Okay. So, do you remember our last week class? Which question word I was teaching for you? Yes, which is that? Y. What is the spelling of Y? W-H-Y. What is the spelling of Y? W-H-Y. And what is the meaning of it in Malayalam? Endukonda, endana karanam. Okay, there will be a reason for that. Okay, yes. And today, you know, some of you might have seen in your textbook, and this is very common. We often use in our day-to-day dialogues. Okay, if we are seeing somebody, we will be asking something, no? So like that, today I am going to teach you. For that I need the help of my colleague. Okay, I am welcoming Selma Miss here. Selma Miss.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you, Selma Miss?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. How do you come to school, Selma Miss?
By bus, ma'am.
Okay, since now school buses are not there and since the school is not working, you have to come by other bus,
Yes,
right?
Yes,
okay. How about you? Are you feeling fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm fine. Thank
No
you.
problem, no?
problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. This is what I told you, no? Did you listen mine and Selma Miss conversation? Did you listen that? I was asking, how are you? We usually in our class, we used to ask you, no, how are you? Then what you will answer? I'm fine, thank you. Isn't it? I'm fine, thank you. Then did you listen to the second question what I had asked to Selma Miss? How do you come to school? How do you come to school? Then she told by bus. By bus. So this is also a question word, and from this I will take out that question word which we want to learn today. And look onto the board. What is it? Can anyone read this? Yes. What is it? How? Very good. And what is the spelling of it? H-O-W. H-O-W. Okay. H-O-W. How? How are you? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? സുഖാണോ? That is, how do you come to school? എങ്ങനെയാണ് സ്കൂളിൽ വന്നത്? How we will dance together? നമ്മൾ രണ്ടുപേരും എങ്ങനെ ഒരുമിച്ച് ഡാൻസ് കളിക്കുക? How we will go to Mumbai? എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് മുംബൈയിലേക്ക് പോവാൻ പറ്റുക? How we will make a doll with newspaper? എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമുക്കൊരു ഡോള് ന്യൂസ് പേപ്പർ കൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റുക? How we will make chocolate cake? എങ്ങനെ ചോക്ലേറ്റ് കേക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കുക? Now I think you understood what is how. എങ്ങനെ? Okay, how? What do you mean by how? എങ്ങനെ? How are you? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ? How? എങ്ങനെ? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടാക്കുക? Whenever we need to ask some things, something like the thing which we want to know. എങ്ങനെ പോവുക? എങ്ങനെ വരിക? Then you will be using this question word how. If I am giving you the passage in the textbook, then it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, there are 2 pages in your textbook with how. So what I am going to do is the first page, just what I and Selma Miss was saying here, I will just let us listen to that 2 kids dialogue in that book, then we will move on to the next passage. Okay, ready? Okay, please watch it on the board. Look, you can see 2 kids on the board. One is a boy and the other one is a girl, and they are wearing school uniform. Okay, and the boy is asking, how are you, Dia? So you got the name of the girl. What is the name of the girl? Yes, Dia. So the boy is asking, how are you, Dia? Then the girl is answering, I'm fine, thank you. Then the boy is again asking, how do you come to school? The boy is asking, how do you come to school? Then the girl is answering for that, by the school van. By the school van. Okay, that is very easy. You want to read it. Don't learn the spelling by heart, but you want to read. You want to know how to read it. Okay, and look at the next picture on the board. Can you see it? You can see a picture on the board. The same picture is there in your textbook also. You can see a car and you can see a cycle also. Right? Yes. In the car you can see a girl with her driver, and you can see a girl on the cycle also. Isn't it? Yes. We are going to speak about these 2 girls. Okay, so whenever I am reading it, what you want to do is you have to take your textbook, you want to keep your finger under that line and read. Try to read along with me. Okay, Sana and Lena are friends. One girl's name is Sana and the other girl's name is Lena. Sana goes to school on a cycle. Sana goes to school on a cycle. So who is sitting on the cycle? Yes, Sana is sitting on the cycle. And now she is going to school. She is going to school on a cycle. Lena goes by car. So who is inside the car? Lena. How she is going to school? She is going to school by car. They study well. Like you, Muckles, like you, these 2 girls, no, Lena and Sana, also studies well. They study well. Okay, they are very good children like you. So shall we read it once again? Keep your finger below the sentences and read it. Sana and Lena are friends. Sana goes to school on a cycle. Lena goes by car. They study well. Now look the sentences, questions below that. Okay, the first question, how does Sana go to school? Tell me, how she is going to school? On a cycle. Yes, how she is going to school? On a cycle. How does Lena go to school? How does Lena go to school? Tell me. By car. How she is going to school? By car. How do they study? I told you, like you, they also study well. What you will answer? They study well. Once again, how does Sana go to school? On a cycle. How does Lena go to school? By car. How do they study? They study well. Okay, you understood that passage, isn't it? Okay, look, in your workbook there are 2 pages for writing. In one page you have to write all this related to how are you and I am fine, thank you. And in the other page almost all the question words are there. Each one have to seek your parents' help and write the answers there. Right. There is one more passage, the last passage in your textbook. Okay, the last passage in your textbook in which all the question words are coming. Okay, in which all the question words like what, when, where, how, why, like those, how, all these question words are coming. Right. So, we will look that also. Please look onto the screen and we will read I will read the passage for you, and you just recall the words from the passage and try to answer the questions when I am asking you. Okay? Ready? Okay, you can see the passage on the board. Yes, I will read it for you. Please listen to it. Okay, Veena is a singer. Veena is a singer. So shall I read the first question? What is Veena? Singer. You just want to look and write the answer there. Okay? Singer. Then the next line I will read. She goes to a park every day. She goes to a park every day. Where does she go every day? The second question there in your text. Where does she go every day? To a park. To a park. There are two big trees in the park. There are two big trees in the park. So shall I read the next question? How many trees are there in the park? Two big trees. Two big trees. Okay, shall we read the next sentence? There are many ducks and a swan also. There are many ducks and a swan also. Shall I read the next sentence also? Many old men and women come to the park to do exercise there. Many old men and women come to the park to do exercise there. So let me read the next question. Who else come to the park? Who else comes to the park? Many old men and women. These all are there in the passage. Anyway, I am giving you the answer. You want to find it from the passage also. Okay. Many old men and women. Next question, please listen. Why do they come to the park? Why do they come to the park? Yes, they come to the park to do exercise. To do exercise. Okay, shall I read the next sentence? There is a watchman also. Who is there in the park? A watchman. His name is Vivek. What is his name? Vivek. So I am going to read the next question. What is the name of the watchman? Tell me, what is the name of the watchman? Vivek. What is the name of the watchman? Vivek. Last sentence in the passage. He closes the park at night. He closes the park at night. So the last question in the passage. When does he close the park? At night. When does he close the park? At night. Okay, by this all our topic in term 2 textbook is over. All these topics are over, and now your duty is what? You want to write in the workbook, and also daily you want to read the textbook daily. Okay, daily read the textbook, then only you can improve the reading skill. Okay, and next week onwards I will come with revision topic. We want to learn our previous topic once again. Okay, till then Sajna ma'am is signing off. Bye bye. See you. Assalamu alaikum.